Potted plants add colour and life to patios and small gardens, but getting just the right amount of water to each pot can be a problem. Some pots get too much water and it runs through and is wasted, while other pots on the same watering system don't get enough. Keeping the water in a pot can also be difficult. Overspray and run through can be messy too and might even be a safety hazard. Antelco have a new solution. With Potstream variable pot watering emitters, you can supply just the right amount of water to each pot. Flow rate and pattern size can be adjusted to different pot sizes and different plant water requirements. The gentle finger watering streams reduce soil disturbance and are less affected by wind than typical spray emitters. Potstream is designed to be as unobtrusive as possible, keeping the supply tube tucked down the back of your plant containers while still allowing access to the adjustment knob for fine tuning. The first step is to cut lengths of flexible supply tube to suit your installation. Carefully use an irrigation tool such as the Antelco 2-in-1 punch and cutter to trim your tube to length. Then take your supply tube and push one end onto the barbed inlet of your Potstream. Push a 4mm adapter into the other end of the tube. Next, punch a hole in your mainline tube using the Antelco 2-in-1 punch and cutter. Then insert the 4mm barbed adapter into the hole. Now you can locate your Potstream down the inside of your container, with the supply tube running down the outside. Another way to help keep the system tidy is by using Antelco Tidy Bow elbows. Simply clip the elbow onto the supply tube like this. Unlike standard elbows, you don't need to cut the tube and you can change the position later if required. Small pots can use a single Potstream, while you may like to install multiple Potstreams in larger pots. As with any well-designed irrigation system, make sure you use a pressure regulator and a quality filter in your water supply line. Also remember to flush your supply line when you are finished to remove any particles that may have entered your system during installation. Once your system is fully installed, you can adjust each Potstream to suit the requirements of the individual plant and pot. If you are moving pots around, or if you want to remove a pot from your system, you can easily turn off any one Potstream. To get the best performance out of your system, make sure that the flow rate of all your pots combined is more than 24 litres per hour. A minimum of 6 Potstreams on any supply line is recommended. Information on additional irrigation components and practices can be found on the Antelco website at www.antelco.com.